Want to know the secret to youthful, glowing skin without expensive products? Stay with me because today, I'll show you exactly how to rejuvenate your skin and naturally boost collagen using simple, reliable methods. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought your skin could use a little extra love? As we age, collagen production slows down, and this affects the firmness, elasticity, and smoothness of our skin. But don't worry, you don't need to break the bank to revive that youthful glow. There are plenty of natural, science-backed ways to rejuvenate your skin and enhance collagen production. Let's start with the basics. Collagen is a protein found throughout your body, especially in your skin. It gives your skin structure, strength, and elasticity. In fact, about 75% of your skin's dry weight is made up of collagen. But, as we age, natural collagen production declines, starting in our mid-20s. That's when the fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin begin to make their debut. A well-known study published in the journal Dermatoendocrinology shows that after the age of 20, collagen production decreases by about 1% per year. This is why it becomes crucial to actively support your skin's collagen production, especially through natural means. There are several lifestyle factors that can significantly reduce collagen production, such as sun exposure. Ultraviolet, UV, rays break down collagen fibers in the skin, leading to wrinkles and skin damage. Diet. Diets high in sugar and refined carbohydrates can cause glycation, which damages collagen. Smoking. Chemicals in cigarettes also degrade collagen and elastin in the skin. Aging. Natural aging reduces the body's ability to produce collagen. Did you know that smoking reduces skin elasticity, resulting in deeper wrinkles, especially around the lips? A study in toxicology highlighted this, emphasizing the importance of lifestyle choices in preserving skin health. The best foods to eat for collagen boosting. Research shows that specific nutrients can aid in collagen production and skin rejuvenation. Vitamin C, a key player in collagen synthesis. Found in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers, it also protects the skin from oxidative stress. A study published in Nutrients shows that vitamin C deficiency directly affects collagen production. Amino acids, proline and glycine. These are the building blocks of collagen and are found in foods like bone broth, fish, and eggs. Bone broth, in particular, is often hailed as a collagen powerhouse. Antioxidants. Foods rich in antioxidants like green tea, leafy greens, and berries fight free radicals that damage collagen. Studies in Journal of Clinical Medicine demonstrate how antioxidants can slow skin aging. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fish like salmon and chia seeds, omega-3s help maintain skin elasticity and hydration, which in turn supports collagen production. It may sound cliché, but staying hydrated is crucial for keeping your skin plump and smooth. Water helps the body transport nutrients to your skin cells, which keeps the skin hydrated and resilient. Exfoliation for collagen renewal. Gently exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells and promotes the turnover of new, healthy skin cells. Chemical exfoliants like alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, can stimulate collagen production by removing damaged skin cells. Vitamin C serum. Topical vitamin C serums can penetrate the skin to boost collagen production and protect the skin from free radicals. Studies show that vitamin C serums can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin texture. Retinoids for skin renewal. Retinoids, a derivative of vitamin A, are one of the most studied anti-aging ingredients. They stimulate collagen production and skin cell turnover. According to the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, retinoids can reduce fine lines and improve skin texture by encouraging new collagen production. Do collagen supplements really work? Collagen supplements, usually in the form of hydrolyzed collagen peptides, have become a popular way to improve skin health. Studies, like one published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, have shown that daily collagen supplementation can significantly improve skin elasticity and hydration, and reduce wrinkles. However, remember that these are most effective when combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. DIY skincare. Effective home remedies for glowing skin. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera stimulates fibroblasts, which produce collagen in your skin. Applying aloe gel directly can also help reduce wrinkles and keep the skin hydrated. Egg white face mask. Egg whites contain amino acids and collagen-building nutrients that help tighten and rejuvenate the skin. Honey and avocado mask. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, while honey is a natural humectant. Together, they moisturize and promote skin repair. Simple changes to keep your skin youthful for years to come. Sleep. Getting quality sleep is vital for skin repair and collagen production. A study published in Clinical and Experimental Dermatology found that poor sleep can accelerate skin aging and reduce collagen. Stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to collagen breakdown. Meditation, yoga, and other relaxation techniques can help lower cortisol and support collagen production. Stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to collagen breakdown. Meditation, yoga, and other relaxation techniques can help lower cortisol and support collagen production. Avoid these common mistakes that harm your skin. Over-exfoliating. It can damage the skin barrier. Using harsh products. Some products can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to premature aging. Now you know how to rejuvenate your skin and naturally boost collagen, without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. By adding these simple habits and natural remedies to your routine, you can enjoy glowing, youthful skin for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.